Hello everyone, welcome back to another DIY video. In my today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a soap using neem and turmeric. This soap is not only easy to make with ingredients which is easily available, but also makes your skin smooth, soft. It will reduce pimples, pigmentation and gives you a clear and a glowing look. If you want to know, please continue watching. To make this soap, first of all, I will be using neem leaves. If you don't have leaves, you can also use a neem powder, 2 tablespoons. Neem is very good for your skin. It has antibacterial properties which can fight acne causing bacteria. It also reduces oil production. Neem has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe irritated skin. Neem can also even out your skin tone because of its antioxidants. It can reduce melanin production, thereby giving your skin or reducing dark spots and pigmentation. The next ingredient is turmeric. As you all know, turmeric lightens skin tone and acne marks. It lightens hyperpigmentation and reduces the dullness on your skin. It also reduces dark circles and helps in premature aging. To make this soap, I will be using glycerine soap 50 grams. This I have purchased online. This is the melt and pour soap which I have purchased. If you don't have this, you can also use the glycerine soap which is easily available in the market. The glycerine soap contains glycerine which draws moisture towards your skin, keeping it smooth, soft and supple all day long. This moisturizing properties of glycerine can help lock the moisture of your skin without stripping the skin of its natural oil. The next ingredient is an essential oil. I am using turmeric essential oil because to give the turmeric fragrance to the soap. You can use any essential oil of your choice. It can give the fragrance to the soap. So next would be a bowl which has a thick bottomed base so that you can use it as a double boiler. And a mold. I am using this plastic mold where I have greased it already so that you can give a shape to the soap. The method to make this soap is very simple. All you need is to take that bowl and add all the ingredients except the essential oil. Here I have taken the cut pieces of the soap. I am adding this neem leaves and a pinch of turmeric, at least quarter spoon of the turmeric. Once you have done doing this, take a pan and place it on the stove, and once it starts heating, then place this bowl which you have added the soap and other ingredients so that it can melt away. I am using this method because I don't want to use the water double boiler because maybe the steam may get into the water may get into this soap. So this is an easiest way of melting this soap. So here I have placed this bowl on the pan and I have increased the flame so that the soap melts away. Once it starts melting, you can see that the goodness of neem and the turmeric is introduced into the soap. You can make use of such ingredients into your ordinary soap and make a very wonderful soap which can give clear skin. So once it is done, take the mold which is already greased and filter out the melted soap into this bowl, or you can use even a small molds of soap if you have to pour this. So tap it out so that all the melted soap can seep through this filter. I am using this filter. You can use anything of whichever is available, but make sure you can filter out every last bit of the soap. Now it's time to add the essential oil. I am using turmeric essential oil. You can use anything, and mix it thoroughly and let it sit for at least maybe half an hour. I took half an hour to set this soap. So once the soap is set, and this can be easily removed because you have greased it already, this soap will just pop out. So this soap is ready. This ordinary soap of mine is turned into a very good soap which can reduce my pimples and also brighten my skin tone whenever I use this. You can use this soap as you use any of your regular soaps. Just take some water and work up lather. You can use it on your body also, not only on your face. Work up lather, and you can see that this soap is lathering well enough, and you can use on your face. So this soap is easy to make, and you can use any other ingredients of your choice to make any ordinary soap worthy soap. So try this and see how it works for you. If you want more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. If you like my video, please share it, and if you want any other DIYs, please comment in the comment section below. and thanks for watching.